perfectly very much mannered, abounding with knowledge and reassuringly simple to live with, yet when inside it, it's an instinctive and snarlingly intense execution auto. This is the initial 7er prefixed with M, however it's no full-fat motorsport division M5 it's substantial. Think of it as a BMW towing the game's limo water, the zenith of the M performance sub-market side A sub-mark. One notch shy of mechanical may, however, as the liberal sprinkling of V12 logos affirm. 3 many years of BMW V12s. Shoehorned into the BMW's motor straight is its most recent stage 12-chamber power plant, 30 years on since the introduction of the E32 Presently loading a 6.6-liter limit, its acceptance constrained by a couple of turbochargers. There's a 602 bhp overabundance available to you, enough for 189 miles per hour best speed when you choose the xDrive's package, else you're electronically represented to a calm 155 miles per hour. BMW M760Li xDrive V12, 2018, audit. Metering of 590 pounds-foot of torque through a naturally speed programmed box is the xDrive all-wheel drive framework, though with the hijinks empowering back-hub inclination. The result in 3.7 seconds 0 to 62 miles per hour time feels easily feasible, particularly with the simple-to-connect with dispatch control framework. Dispatch control in a 7 arrangement? Whatever next. It seems garbled having such kid racer thingamajigs in the limousine. Be that as it may, here's simply the thing, limited comfort mode in the V12 ear is blissfully quiet. Think Rolls-Royce Ghostlight and you're both there. It's easy to drive easily and without show. So quieted are the dozen cylinders, so confidently agreeable the air-suspended ride, so anesthetized the controlling, it's anything but difficult to dismiss the reality you're in a double XL sports cantina by any means. In any case, as great as that distinction with the outside world seems to be, the BMW is still out-limoed by the Universal S-Class, the Mercedes demonstrating significantly more sumptuous, refined and open. So when does the M760 start to bode well? Drawing in sport mode, and turning off DSC, significantly adjusts the character of the M760Li xDrive V12, that full name is a sizable chunk, would it say it isn't? Conveying that Hulk smash pulverized is a pile of electronica, controlling each part of the way the BMW drives. However, it's done in a way that enhances the 7's capacities. Instead of meddling with them, your certainty works as you go ahead. And afterward you push on some more. We test the closest thing you can get to a BMW M7. Official Drive Pro suspension sounds teeth-itchingly napped for such an advanced framework, to the point that proactively diminishes body move of the dug-in cantina, influencing it to feel amazingly agile for something so tremendous. Fast directional changes are made conceivable not just by the proactive electronic hostile to roll bars and clever all-wheel drive framework, yet additionally by a trap guiding framework. It tracks speedier than lesser 7s, with mobility enhanced further by race wheel controlling, nullifying the probability of mid-corner roundest. Only a pity the criticism through to your fingertips isn't exactly as informative as we'd like. I thought you said it wasn't meddling. It sounds like a good babysitter as opposed to satiate energetic drivers. However, BMW's M division has made the M760Li on account of engagement immovably. Indeed, the Michelin Pilot Super Sports 245/40S in advance and 275/35S at the back hold industriously in dull conditions. However, they additionally consider a level of fun-loving nature when the open door emerges. The back one-sided xDrive game plan is very much judged, no float mode heroics here, simply common guiding point, throttle adjust. Disregard the 7 size, you can rewardingly hustle as along. However, while all the Larry tricks are going on, the ride, now fundamentally firmer, is as yet sufficiently proficient to smooth out inadequately surfaced flat top.